Well, I'm here in Auchterarder today to see the new banking hub that's been open for a couple of months. It's a really interesting concept where we can bring banking back into our high streets. And I'm hugely excited to find out how this model is working and how it can also work in other areas across Stirling and Stirling and across the country. So let's go in and find out some more. Craig McNichol runs the banking hub with his wife Kate.
It offers a facility to get cash in the community, to deposit money into your bank accounts and basic day-to-day banking. It also offers a facility to meet the banks if you need to have any queries answered or if you've got any questions. They're there to help as well, and it just provides that full facility for the community.
Trisha's been in using the banking hub today. Trisha, you're from Auchterarder?
Yes, I am.
Tell me about the banking hub. What do you think of it?
Well, it's definitely been a boon to us in the town. I mean, I'm in here every week, and Craig and his wife Kate are amazing and so friendly, welcoming, and yeah, superb. Look out for an elderly gentleman up the road and get his cash and that, and when you're at the ATMs you can't get, like the change that you require, but in here you can get the change which he needs because he's housebound.
An assessment in Auchterarder as there was the Bank of Scotland had closed previously, and the local community had reached out to say there was a need for access to cash here. And Link came and carried out the assessment and decided that yes, in fact, there was a need for access to cash here and instructed Cash Access to start the process of opening the banking hub. So there's been recent changes to the regulations towards the end of last year, whereby the last bank in town now can't close until we are instructed to open a banking hub. We also looked at other communities where the last bank in town has closed previous to last year and they don't have good access links to cash. So this could be where there's extensive public transport to get access to the closest bank, or the post office locally is only open on a part-time basis, or it could be that there's very few ATMs in the area and there's very little access to cash and has been for years, and Link will come in and do that assessment to determine whether or not the local community would benefit from a banking hub. Anyone who feels that their community would benefit from a banking hub can go on to the Link website and complete what is known as an access to cash request. This is about 5 questions long on an online forum. Only one person per community needs to complete it. And what that does is it triggers an assessment process for Link. Link will then visit your community, interview local residents, look at the transport links and look at the access to cash in terms of ATMs that are available locally.
So there you go. If you want to find out if your community qualifies for a banking hub, get online, fill in the form and see what happens. There's no harm in doing it, and we can get some sensible banking facilities back into our communities.